Understanding Content Marketing Automation. Welcome to the first lesson of our journey into mastering content marketing automation. This lesson is designed to set the foundation of everything we are going to learn about automating your content marketing strategy. By the end of this lesson, you will have a solid understanding of what content marketing automation is, why it's essential, and how it can transform the way you connect with your audience. Hello and welcome. I'm Savan Kumar and I'm thrilled to guide you through the exciting world of content marketing automation. Whether you are a marketer looking to streamline your workflow, a business owner aiming to reach more customers, or just curious about how automation can enhance your marketing strategy, you are in the right place. Let's start with the basics. Content marketing automation involves using software and technologies to plan, execute, and manage your content marketing strategy with minimal manual intervention. Want to know how you can do all of this? That's why we all are here. So it's not just about saving time, it's about being more effective and personalized in your approach. You must be again wondering, when we hear of automation, how can we be personalized or how can we be more effective? So be with me and you will get all your answers. Imagine being able to deliver the right message to the right person at the perfect time every single time. That is the power of automation. But why automate? Why on earth should you automate? First, it enhances efficiency by automating repeated tasks. Second, it enables scalability, allowing you to reach more people without compromising on quality. Third, it provides insights through data analytics, helping you make informed decisions. Are these not good enough reasons for you to start working on automating your content marketing strategy? I think they are. So these benefits are just the tip of iceberg. With automation, you can achieve a level of precision and personalization that manual processes simply can't match. Yes, you heard me right. Content marketing automation transforms your marketing in three key ways. It ensures consistency in your messaging, increases engagement by delivering relevant content, and improves conversion rates by nurturing leads effectively. Now you might be wondering, isn't automation impersonal? The answer surely is a big no. When done right, automation allows you to create deeply personalized experiences at scale, something increasingly important in today's world. Ever wondered how Facebook or Instagram or TikTok has the exact right video for you? Do you think they do it manually for every single user? The answer is again a no. They have automated it, and understand the extent to which that has been automated, that you get to see the exact video that you want to see right now, or the kind of videos that you have been watching right now. That is the power of automation at a huge scale, where millions of subscribers are getting to see a customized set of content, a customized feed on their timeline based on their preferences, their likings, and more. In a real world example, Facebook, Instagram is a good example, or in the insert company name, put in any of the e-commerce businesses that you know of. They use content marketing automation today, and they have been able to increase at least 50% in their click-through rates and a significant boost in sales. And I'm sure you want to be one of those. As we progress through this course, we will dive deeper into the tools, strategies, and best practices for implementing your own content marketing automation plan. But remember, the goal isn't to automate for the sake of automation. It's to enhance your ability to connect with and serve your audience. That's it for this lesson. In our next lesson, we will explore the benefits of automating content marketing in more detail, debunking some common myths, and start laying the groundwork for your automation strategy. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson. But before that, let's have a quick look at the lesson summary that we just had. In this lesson, we introduced the concept of content marketing automation, discussed its importance, and outlined how it can transform marketing efforts. Stay tuned for the next lesson, where we will dive deeper into the benefits of content marketing automation and start debunking common myths.